The Layout Points application is used to place marks in the field at predetermined points. The predetermined points are the points to be set out. Within this application, you can simply lay out sketched or imported points directly from the map. It is now easy to lay out points from the mechanical, electrical, or plumbing network, as important point information is available in the info panel. To stake out a point, select it from the map or from the point list. Direct distance between the total station and the target is shown in the info panel. Using the information in the info panel, the operator can direct the man at the pole in a two-man team. A correct measurement is achieved when the orange dotted line is on top of the blue line. You know you are in the right position when the info panel displays the value as being 0 or close to 0, and the guidance arrow is green with the message in sight. When the measurement is triggered, the values in the info panel change and the length of blue line is replaced with the current distance between the point and the pole. The point is staked out in tolerance when the color of the pole turns green. When using a robotic total station, the split screen view can simplify the work. Arrow view can be triggered and the pole position will then be displayed in relation to a user-defined orientation. We can choose which part of the screen should show the arrow view. 3D view can also be used together with the split screen function. Once the point is selected and the measurement is triggered, the distance to the target is replaced with the distance between the station and the current position of the pole. Arrows and corresponding distances are displayed to indicate how to find the point to be staked out. Arrow view will change to bullseye view if the target is within 2 meters distance to the selected point. For normal projects, typically several thousand points are required per deck or floor. With the new automatic point selection feature, we can define a list of points which we wish to lay out. In this way, we can follow the points in a predefined list either by order or by the physical distance to the TPS position, last point, or a known point. Defining the list can be done based on criteria, in this case, the code. In this example, we have just 2 points to stake out. After the list is defined, we have to select a point from the list and then choose the selection method for the automatic point selection. We can now proceed staking out the points from the list. A message called "All points from the list have been staked out" will appear on the screen when we are done staking. The staked points are stored in a separate layer in the current job, and we can choose to turn the layer off at any time. Also, in the point list, we can see the staked out points together with the tolerance sign. In this case, it is green because the points were in tolerance. By using the automatic point selection, laying out points has never been easier and faster. But what do we do if the point we want to stake out is on the ceiling and the line of sight is obstructed by the handle? To lay out a point situated on the ceiling, we just have to remove the handle of the instrument and switch to an internal Bluetooth communication. When the connection is re-established, we can proceed staking out the point. By removing the handle and setting the communication to internal Bluetooth, we can stake out a point with no need to move the instrument or perform a new setup. Still using icon, still in the field.